Set against the deep blue background of the Aegean Sea lies the beautiful island of Mykonos, one of the most popular islands in Greece. Visiting Mykonos was on our bucket list for our love of beautiful white houses of the typical Cycladic island, a sunset to remember, and for the iconic windmills which has become the symbol of the island itself. We reached Mykonos in the afternoon, dumped our luggage in our Airbnb, freshened up a bit and immediately moved out for a walk. Originally, the whitewash of the houses contained limestone, a powerful disinfectant which used to sanitize the houses. The white color, being a reflector of heat, also kept the houses cooler. However, the white has now become a brand of Greek islands which thousands of travelers adore. People here keep painting and repainting their streets and houses so that they always look fresh and new. You will find cats everywhere on this island, and at most places in Greece too. So there's a boutique called Sketch, and at every corner we find one frame worth clicking. We arrived at the most famous and visited site of Mykonos, the 6 windmills, overlooking the famous Little Venice. And if you love sunsets, you must come here on a clear evening when the sun touches the horizon. The windmills stay on guard, and the moon awakes from behind them. You must not yet leave, as the blue hour of twilight will surely be one of your everlasting memories. A Greek traditional gift shop, Mytho, just behind the windmills, was a nice place to buy some mementos. You will get good items to remember Mykonos in an affordable price, though there are other cheaper options along the streets. Mykonos is a fairly busy tourist spot, but more during the summers, so April is indeed a good time to enjoy Mykonos with less crowd and a comfortable weather. We found a nice cozy place called Souvlaki Story for our dinner. Souvlaki Story. This is the restaurant that we have chosen for tonight. This is the menu card, the different drinks option, different Greek food. Definitely looks excellent. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, please take it. Thank you so much. After dinner, we returned to our Airbnb, losing our way a couple of times through the winding maze-like streets of Mykonos. Good morning, friends. Today we are at Mykonos, and today morning only, because today we will be going to Santorini after a few hours. You can see all the stairs going down, and this is going to the city center, which is called Fabrika. The bell is ringing actually. It sounds so lovely. This is the hotel that we were staying in. And just beside the room expands, opens up so nicely. The entire sea along with the distant windmills on the left around here can be seen. So beautiful. And meet this birthday girl today. Happy birthday, Aditi.
Thank you.
The short and sweet experience of the 18 hours we had in Mykonos was certainly a wonderful way to start our Greek vacation. We have reached Mykonos airport. Aditi is standing with the luggage, and we have reached at around 10:20. Our flight is after 12 o'clock, and that's why we have reached fairly early. From Mykonos, we boarded the flight to Athens. In the next episode, we will take you to our next destination in Greece, probably the most popular Greek island and hands down the most visited, photographed and loved. So stay tuned. If you have enjoyed this episode, please do like the video and subscribe to our channel to get latest updates for our upcoming travelogues.